The best part of my T-level experience, I would say, is the work placement. It's a great way to get comfortable and experienced in the construction industry for me. So I started doing A-levels and then soon found out that they weren't for me. And my mother decided to go online and look for different courses. I've always planned and wanted to go into the construction industry, and a placement and T-level course where you go out to a company and do work with them was the ideal situation for me. Thank you very much. So my result was a distinction, and I'd say it's just a massive weight off my shoulders, a huge relief. I've put a lot of time and effort into this course, and it's just great to come out on the other end with a good result. So now I've finished my T-level, I'm going on to do a telecommunications engineering apprenticeship with Network Rail, which will take me about 2 years. I'll come out the other end with a level 3 engineering degree, and then after that I'm going to do a degree apprenticeship with Network Rail in civil engineering. I think T-levels are an amazing subject. I think they're going to revolutionise how students can take a path in college. It offers certain aspects like work experience, it really improves your social skills and gets you straight into the businesses that you want to be involved in the future.